Okay guys, down the strip, morning after. Not a lot of places open yet. About 5 to 10 now. They'll be open later, of course. Absolutely boiling hot. You're going to get this guys. It was there at the front of the White Star Bar. It's sweating like mad already. Deep city there, in the supermarket. Nice opens a kebab house there. Been in Indian this one a couple of years ago. Got near in there. We'll show you where the pool party happens on I don't know what day it's on, to be honest. Friday. There you go. In the White Star Bar. Bar's not even open yet. Okay, on down. Work going on there. Shamrock up there. And Dublin House. Plenty of Irish bars down here. Highway not even open yet. Suppose they don't shut very early, so they're not going to open very early. Broadway look like they're just getting really tight. Noisy. Yeah, definitely people in there anyway. Mark's going to do a bit of review up there later on. You know how Beachcomber's getting on. That's it on the pro. One down a bit now, so. Bars open yet, Benidorm, so we'll be out there in a couple of hours. KFC there, I think I'd fancy that one to be honest. It seems to be busy. I wonder if I've heard just sat there for a bit. Rose and Crown, music bar, terrible with the sun at the moment, really bright. Rocky's bar, it's like they're getting ready to open. Charles Pub, never been in there to be honest guys. And you got the shoe shop, seems to be always open. Back over the road there, I hope you can see that guys, and the red line. Quite a few problems in there over the years. Got Loch Ness there, and the meeting point. Where is it? Find it, where are we gone? Right, we're down there. There's Loch Ness. Further up, zoom it up a bit, see if we can see it. There we go, so that Union Jack is. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one guys. Bye. Okay guys, going back the other way now. We're going to have a walk towards town. It's busy out tonight. The rain we had earlier kept a load in. Yeah, it's pretty bad the rain we had earlier. A couple of hours I think it was. It's for the last couple of days it's gone, the real bad heat's gone. And now we're down to about 30, which is still good enough in the day. I'm sure it'll pick up later on again. According to the forecast we're in for about a week of this, dodging showers and thunderstorms. Mainly in the afternoon it seems to be coming. The one we had today was forecast 3 days ago, so yeah, not too bad. It's all the normal tables and chairs in there now. There you go, you're on there.
How are you? Who is it, your wife?
Benidorm Mad Mike, yeah. Benidorm Mad Mike.
Indoor Mad Mike? Am I on?
Yeah, you're on.
Is it on TikTok?
No, it's on YouTube.
Oh!
There you go. Yeah, look, say, there's a load of white furniture in there, hot settees, that type of thing. Seems to have scrapped that idea now and gone back to the normal tables and chairs. I think she didn't know what it was. It's definitely busy tonight. Now we're at Lordstown, slides, euro for an hour I think it was, on those, a little bit expensive. Yeah, a bit of it copyrighted on that now. Took us think what he's done is worked out what he won't get copyrighted on. It's mainly on TikTok. Anyway, we'll get away with a bit more. Yeah, just blast it out as he goes round. On screen. It's a really nice night, nice city. And a beautiful beach. All Brolly's gone away. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And down to the old town that way. We're going to cross over here. Down look at the food area. It's not cold, it's hot out, it's about 27 degrees when we come across. It isn't cooler down here, and there'll be really much difference. See loads of people out, really busy, oh fairly busy. We had the thunderstorm a few hours back, it didn't half come down. Everybody's back to it now. Yeah, enjoying themselves. Halfway house there, must be good for food. Most of them have been in there, but that's what I've been told. And there's a bar there. Very people Sussex. Definitely if you can, not sitting out tonight. But I'll carry on down towards the eastern front. And that way I will make it right down there. We've got a supermarket. So it's in Benidorm. Never too far from what? And the takeaway. A few of them there, but yeah, I think they do well. Pretty well the food trade in Benidorm most of the year. Have a quick look what temperature it is down here. I sort of think it's going to be about 25. It's not too bad. We won't take the signs off. But these Mediterranean, absolutely brilliant this time of night. I think it looks better at night than during the day. The lights on and everything. Clothing shop there. I'm sure that used to sell everything. Now I think it's mainly clothing. Maybe I'll think somewhere else. You get a few more bars down here. Restaurants to get in where they can. Plenty of places to eat. That one might be a new one. The supermarket there. It's been in there for a while. Haven't been in yet. Steakhouse, I wouldn't recommend that one. Yeah, someone's in there, no running water. Still doing food. Anyway, for a drink. It's pretty bad at another supermarket. And then there we've got Jolly Roger. I think they've got big time done in there by the looks of it tonight. Sounds like it. There you go. That's been there really well. I don't think there's going to be any problem with that bar at all. Yeah, so we don't get copyright on it. We'll have a go in there. There's people outside as well. They don't film it at night again. Tend to miss it a bit. Screen bar there. Right out in there. Looks a little bit quiet to be honest. They're all next door. I don't think they've got anything on in there anyway. And a beautiful beach. Atlantic Beach. On the British side, Benidorm. Cider over the road. But if you want one right on the front, I usually got entertainment on. You can sit outside. Entertainment's usually outside there in the summer anyway. The amount of people are about again. I think you just get into this. You come to Benidorm in the evening. I suppose it depends what your hotel's got on. Sure we know what that is, guys. Or P-game going there. My advice, don't get involved. Watch, but don't get involved. No one cares if they take 50 quid off you, 100 quid, or £1,000 coming over. It's happened before. Looking good down here tonight. Nice it being that little bit cooler. Walk about there sweating. And then your entertainment going on over there at the Timbal. I've changed that round over there, to be honest. Right hotel. Sounds like a bit of Spanish entertainment as well. It's always good. There we go. Spanish entertainment in Spain. Whatever next? Seems to be a lot of police about today. Maybe we've just seen a lot. That's the usual amount, but it'll be everywhere we go. Got the library here. Good place for a library, right on the beach. down there on camera, wet Sundays. You can see it's clogging together a lot more. Downpour we had earlier. Beautiful view of the lights down there. They've got them all fixed and all working. A couple of bulbs out I can see already. I think they renewed them earlier in the year. There's quite a few bulbs out. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.